Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a tutorial of the outline of portraits, how you can draw. Here in this portrait I have tried to make the portrait of Hardik Pandya. Within this video I will only do the outlines, and that too in real time. So we will be able to achieve the full outline within less than even 5 minutes, just touching it. So what I've used for the outline is, as you can see, it is a fine liner, so it doesn't depend upon brand or anything. I have used a brush-stroke fine liner marker here. You can use even a simple pen, gel pen, that also helps if that is precise enough up to your requirements. For the undersketch I have used 2H pencil just to make a rough sketch of mainly the proportions, and I did not do it too much definitely because I knew that I will have to do the corrections later on with the fine liner. So in this tutorial I have completely concentrated on the proportion marking and the outline marking. That's it. As you can see, I have not used any graph methods or measurement techniques to draw the outlines or even the base sketch, because that is not quite an artistic way. Yeah, definitely it gives much better results, but if you really feel that you need to draw and not kind of bring a machine from yourself, like a printer can do what we can do with measures. In fact, they will do it much better. So it's more about drawing and not about making the exact face look how it is. That's a personal belief. You can go with some other techniques too, but the fact is the outline remains the most important part. Be it a watercolor, a shade of charcoals, or even simple pencils, even acrylics, it very much depends on the outline. So within this tutorial, all I have given much and in fact complete importance to was the outline. There was no small shading, nothing done within this one. Yes, it was a bit difficult with the hair because this hair is kind of an undercut, and within the undercut, as we all know, that the hair of a person, a boy, is thicker on the top, and in the bottom it's scarcely populated, densely but scarce. So it's a bit difficult to do the outline of the hair, but yeah, it was not only about the hair part. I was not sure how I would end up drawing this one, using what materials or even mixed medium or not. I will surely put the next video when I finish the drawing. I will put the link to it in the description section. You can go and watch how the final piece looks like. But as of now in this video, I have only used the fine liner to mark the outlines, because that is the most important thing, and that is something that we all try to achieve mostly during portrait drawings. So I would say or suggest that you use at first an HB pencil. Mechanical pencil is good, but even a normal HB pencil will also do. A mechanical 2B pencil also works wonders for outlines, because then you definitely know the markings up till where you need to put the shadings and everything. So I like the most about this technique is that the portrait comes out alive. That's what, and even it looks artistic. Realism definitely makes it look more like a photograph, but this technique brings out the art within this sketch. That was the motto of this drawing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you have not. See you in the next video.